Good morning, good evening, and good night, y'all. It is late on a Saturday night, and I am going through my CRTs, trying to figure out what I'm going to do or tomorrow. I think I'm gonna make more than one. Well, I don't think. I know I'm gonna make more than one trip this week to CVS, but I've got about $20 in extra care books that I want to challenge myself. I'll say that. So I'm gonna challenge myself this week, tomorrow for sure, to spend $0, like zero, not even taxes, on Pampers and the things that I want to get. So stay tuned to see my breakdown to spend $0 and get free Pampers this week. So let's go. Okay, so this week not BP, excuse me, y'all. P&G products are going to be on the spend 20, get a $5 extra care book. Um, I am doing the 2 for 20 on the Pampers, but just some other. I just put this little image from the ad so that you guys can see something in case you had coupons or digital coupons to match up for this deal. But I'm doing the 2 for 20 specifically because I have a 3 off 15 diaper CRT that expires tomorrow. There is a $5, I think it's 5 off 3 on the Pantene. There's usually a digital for the Crest toothpaste. We got a funky, stupid 25-cent Charmin and Bounty digital. And it's in the P&G if you picked up your inserts, which is just insane. I don't know why they do that. And there's some other items included. If you have the app, you can Lord, my child. If you have the app, you can look at the ad to see what all is included. But this is just a small clip. But like I said, I'll be picking up the Pampers. They are 2 for 20. We did not get a 3 off of 2, which is what I prefer, but we got a 150 off of Pampers coupon in this week's P&G, which is the same thing. So this is what I have. Be picking up 2 Pampers. They're going to be 2 for 20, like I said several times. I'm going to use a 150 off of one digital coupon that I'm going to say that they're going to give me. They usually give it to me. If they don't, I'm going to be pissed. And I'm going to use the 3 off of 15 diaper CRT. You may not have this, okay? There's a great chance that you don't have the 3 off 15 CRT, that you don't have $17, $18 to roll into this. If you don't, that's fine. Your out of pocket just will be a little bit more. So after that, pay $15.50. I'm rolling $17 in extra care bucks, which is going to so I'm rolling $17 in extra care books, which and I said 17 even though my total is gonna come out to 15.50 because I like to leave room to cover for the tax. And that is how you end up paying like the deal that I did last week. That's how you end up paying a very, very low, or end up having a very low out of pocket, is when you roll the ECBs enough to cover the taxes. So I'm going to assume, even if it doesn't cover the taxes, the out of pocket will be like a couple of cents, like some change, which is fine. I'll pay that as long as it ain't like $1. I ain't paying nothing over $1. I'm going to roll $17 in extra care books. I'm gonna hold on to the $3. No, don't write on that. I'm gonna hold on to the $3 in extra care books that I have to do for my next deal, but pay 0 out of pocket and get back the $5 extra care book to use for my next deal. Okay, so follow along. All right, the next deal that I'm doing, and the only reason that I'm doing this deal, is because I'm $8.62 to be exact away from hitting beauty. So I'm going to do the Maybelline cosmetic deal. If you buy 2, you get a $5 extra care book back. So I will take the $5 from the diaper deal and the $3 in beauty books from last week and roll it into this deal. And I held on to my $2 Maybelline CRT that printed for me this week that I didn't use. So I'm going to hold on to, well, I held on to that. Now I'm going to use that and the $8 in extra care books to do my second deal. So what I have here is pick up 2 of the Maybelline eyeshadow things. They're single eyeshadow things. That's what I'm trying to say. My store is priced at $4.19. I may have to tweak this deal. You'll see tomorrow in my video. I may have to tweak this deal because, again, I don't know if taxes is included in that, or if you have to spend the exact amount before taxes to get the $3 beauty bucks. So I may have to tweak this deal a bit, but what I plan on doing is picking up 2 of the eyeshadows, single eyeshadows for $4.19 each, using which brings my total to about $8.38 or something like that. Use the $2 CRT, roll the $8, which will hopefully cover the taxes, and then pay nothing and get the $5 extra care book back. So guys, that is all that I have right now, and I'm barely made it through this video because my son is climbing all over me. I wanted to share my breakdowns in case you are able to do it, or if you're just trying to see how I'm gonna do it, or if you're just trying to see my breakdown, I want to share that with you guys. And on my way out, I'll be leaving you with a little treat. So if you are watching this, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, have a good night. Bye.